Halloween's in full swing.
And if you're feeling stressed or anxious or worried about decorating, don't worry, we got you.
We have 5 easy decorating tips to help you out and make your place spooktacular.
Ooh. Tip 1, put a spider on it. You can find tons of packages of spiders anywhere you go this time of year. Put a little putty on it and we stick it on all our furniture.
Tip 2, cover your surfaces with spooky Halloween paper or black fabric and use books that you have to create levels in your displays.
Tip 3, upcycle things you already have. A lot of our decor are made out of recycled goods. We created all of these spooky jars using pasta jars and tissue paper, just to create spooky goblin friends. We also printed labels online and created these spooky potion bottles using our upcycled glass, which leads us into our 4th tip. Don't forget all of those common spaces. You spend a lot of time in the bathroom and
the kitchen. Tip 4, leave no room unhaunted. This is our kitchen. We spent a lot of time in here. We're even decorating our fridge. We have a dollar store skeleton. We just glued a magnet to the back. Adorable. I mean spooky.
Tip 5, it's all about the lighting.
We use a lot of Christmas lights, blow molds. We have the hue lights. We use a lot of candles this time of year.
Yes, anything to create color and set the mood.
Bonus tip, hide those cords. It doesn't matter how you do it. We just used a little painter's tape and taped it to the back. Not seeing your cords will really elevate your decor.
That's it. We hope these easy tips help you haunt your home. Happy Halloween.
Bye.